Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can present slides and video in Google Meet. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have created a meeting in a Google Meet, and if we want to present something, we can use this feature, present now. Okay, and then you can choose either you want to share your Chrome tab, window, or entire screen. And then let me explain to you one by one. Chrome tab, it's more effective to share audio because we can only share audio with this Chrome tab. Okay, you will be able to get this feature, also share tab audio. And if you want to present slides, you can use window. Okay, you can present the PowerPoint slides here using the window or entire screen. Okay, and as you can see that we can't share audio using the entire screen or window. So if you want to share video or audio, I recommend you to open the video or the audio from the Chrome tab, so you will be able to share the audio as well. Okay guys, and that's all the way to share slides and also